Aluminum alloy has traits like lightweight and high strength. If used in track glue, it enhances operation efficiency and saves energy. Safety, lifespan, subway. Car body frames have vital components, ensuring safety and longevity in subway cars. Also, radiator wire troughs will use aluminum alloy, very famous track transportation. They have been purchasing from us. It's 6061 and 5083. If it's 6061, it is mainly used for car body structure, bottom frame, and some structural components. 10,000 gin of oil is still 10,000 gin of oil. 5083 is mainly used for shell, body, and chassis, among other components. Due to enhanced durability and weldability, besides these two Q-types, other aluminum alloys must exist. Many makers produce them. Various production and design needs. For instance, 3003 can be used as a skylight door window, like car body side panels. 6063 has good heat dissipation, so it's used for wire troughs, like a radiator. Also, it's used in subway manufacturing. May also need other aluminum alloys. Some may use aluminum lithium alloy. It's the same. What specific alloy is used for queuing? Still need to see design requirements and decide